Here it goes, y'all.
Probably have to hit the brake a little bit.
There it goes.
Still got a little bit more in there.
Broke free. Nice. There she goes.
A little bit more. You got about a half quarter.
Guess the rest of it wants to come out. I think there it goes.
I'll be damned. I didn't notice it, but I notice it now.
Pretty sweet. So break free. We're gonna smooth this stuff out. We're gonna get it smoothed out. Let's see what it looks like after we're done. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to Site Prep Lane Clearing channel. If you would smash that subscribe button, I would deeply appreciate that, because I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers where I can go live. And smash that thumbs up button. I mean, just smash the thumbs up button if that's all you do. I mean, that'd be great. I'd be okay with that. But if you want to subscribe, that's cool. I mean, I'm gonna have some cool content coming up. We got like a beach that we're supposed to be making for around like a lake. So that'll be coming up. Let's see what else is coming up. We got a few jobs coming up. We got one that's gonna be like a complete land clear. I mean, all the way to the ground, because we're gonna build a house on there. So we got to take everything off of it. So that should be coming up. And yeah, if you like this video, smash subscribe, hit the like button, and that'd be awesome. All right, y'all enjoy. All right, let's see what we can do. See if I can smooth this stuff out. Packing this stuff down, we'll restripe the parking lot right here. We'll repatch that. Trying to get this stuff laid before the rain comes again. Action. Dang. Woo. Dang. Do a little bit over here. Worked out pretty good, looked like. I mean, it looked about just dang enough. by itself. So. Never did it before at all. So this is gonna this is a new thing for me. Let's see how it turns out. I'm kinda anxious myself to see how it turns out. It'll be definitely way better than what it was. And the lady won't be getting fined from the dang city for having a dang, or not fixing a pothole. Which is kind of crazy because this is a closed business. So I don't understand why it's so much of a big deal. But shovel work, but well, not too bad. So I'm trying to create it to where it'll go toward that drain over there. Try to make it kind of that's kind of the way the parking lot kind of goes anyways. Got a little bit of a low spot right there, which I'm gonna try to fix it right now. If I can get the bucket to go down right. They got us a few pavers out there. I mean, this is my first attempt at it. Pull some of this back just a little bit. There's like a little bit of a lip right there. There it is. There it is. Nice. I like that. I like that. That's good. Set y'all up. I'm gonna get out there and do a little bit of shoveling and raking. So give me 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back with y'all. it's hot. It's hot out there, boy. Like bad, bad hot. Alright, let's. Once I get it all packed down, I'll smooth it out with a bucket. I just want to make sure it's packed in that hole really good. Nice. There is not even freaking lit. That's awesome. Man. Once I get it smooth completely out, that is going to be freaking money! Woo! Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right there. Just trying to stay as smooth as I can and as kind of as straight as I can, because I don't want to rip any of this up, grab stuff up, you know what I'm saying? I mean, god dang, let's get it. Got a nice pitch to it, so that water won't, when it runs down from there, it's going to come straight on down. It's going to funnel through the center of this, so that's freaking awesome. filled that hole right up. Oh, that came out. That came out wrong. Sorry, bro. Dang. I didn't mean for it to come out like that. That was not. We got a piece of plywood we're gonna put over here. I forgot about that. We got another loads the other day. We come out here and looked at it because we was gonna try to bag this stuff with the bag asphalt stuff, and oh heck no, it'd have been stupid expensive. In it. Alright. No, I'm not a professional dig paver. Give me a break. Some of it up. Over there. I guess I mean, I proved it. I'm not a paver. I ain't perfect. I ain't claiming to be, but I am trying, you know. Because the main objective is to fill that hole up, like because it kept sinking and sinking, and code enforcement was coming through here and really getting a hold of the lady and finding her. So she was like, I need it fixed ASAP. So, yeah. I know this ain't perfect. It's not, I mean, it's not perfect by no means at all. And this is my first time doing asphalt, which I know I'm not, it's not nothing I'm used to at all. I mean, this is like, I'm just gonna see if I can kind of just smooth this down a little thing. Look, I wish I could drag the back. So on the front of this bucket, it's got a lip on the bottom, and it likes to dig stuff up, like clumps of grass. Let's see what happens. mess up, I'll have to get back out there and re-rake it. Drag it and everything else again. I mean, we might could have used a little bit more, but you know, what are you gonna do? I'm trying to beat the rain. I don't want it to really. I don't want that hole to fill back up with water. Less than ideal, you know. I think a lot of this, I drug it over this lip, so I'm trying to get. And I mean, if some of the fresh asphalt, if it comes up, whatever. I mean, it's not a big deal. You know, I'm not stressing over it right this second. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, y'all. I mean, that's pretty much the end product of that. I mean, it turned out pretty good. So, I mean, pretty smooth. I'm gonna get some after pictures to do some shorts, short videos, and yeah, if you like what you see and you need like any kind of like land clearing stuff in the Central Florida area or anywhere in Florida, give us a call. Site Prep Land Clearing, 407-466-4146 or 407-947-2883.